In this video, I'll show you how to customize branding in Docusign Esignature step by step so you can create a more professional and consistent experience for your recipients. Start by logging into your Docusign account and navigating to the admin section from your dashboard. Inside the admin panel, look for the branding option and open it to access customization settings. Here, you can upload your company logo, making sure it's high quality and properly sized so it displays clearly in emails and documents. Next, adjust your brand colors, such as header and accent colors, to match your organization's identity. You can also select font styles that are clean and easy to read while aligning with your brand tone. After making these changes, save your settings and send a test email to preview how everything appears to recipients. Keep in mind that some branding features may depend on your subscription plan. Subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.